Hello students, today we will learn about Office Mix. Students, let's learn what is Office Mix. Office Mix is a free add-in for PowerPoint that makes it easy to create interactive online lessons to improve learning. The name Mix comes from the concept of mixing videos, audios, quizzes and other contents into the presentation. This means that with Office Mix, you can create a presentation that is a combination of all the above mentioned elements and live web pages. One of the most powerful features of Office Mix is its ability to convert the PowerPoint slides into an online presentation. Thus, adding the recording and interactive elements with Office Mix makes flipped learning easier to implement. Another great feature of Office Mix is that it provides the facility to publish and share the content on the Mix website. This helps the students or anyone to view it again whenever needed. One can even keep track of the people who have viewed the content. Office Mix and PowerPoint can be a collaborative exercise and then a reflective activity, where students and teachers participate in an interactive environment. This way, students gain important insights and the teachers gather feedback of their performance. Now, getting started with Office Mix. Here are a few tips and tricks to make better use of Office Mix before we start working on it. Make sure that you have either PowerPoint 2013 or the higher version of Office installed in your PC. To get started, you will need to set up an account on the mix.office.com site. You can also log in either with a Facebook or a Google account. Once you are signed in for an account, download the PowerPoint plugin to start creating your first mix. Once installed, you will find a new Mix tab in the PowerPoint ribbon. If you are working on a laptop or a tablet, then make use of external webcam to give professional look to your videos, as a webcam provides better resolution than the inbuilt camera. Before you start recording, do a test recording with your microphone and adjust the volume to have the optimal setting. Okay, now we will discuss about slide recording. Slide recording helps you to record audio and or video of your PowerPoint slides while you narrate them and annotate them. Using your mouse or other pointing device as a pen, the audio and video can then be reviewed and saved to the cloud or directly to your computer as an .mp4 file. The easiest way to create a slide recording is to create a PowerPoint presentation first and then record on top of your existing slides. Follow the given steps to make use Create Slide Recording option. Select the slide where you want to begin the slide recording. Click on the slide recording option present in the Record group on the Mix tab. Now click on the Start Recording button. Your presentation will open in Office Mix window in record mode. Here you will see your slide presentation in the main body of the screen. The audio and video task pane will appear to the right side of the window, displaying different options with which you can select your audio and video inputs. See a preview of your video, check the volume level and choose pen size and ink color to write or draw on the slide. Students, let's take a quick view. Press F9 function key to begin recording. Now let us understand how to add audio or video. The first step is to decide the size and resolution of the video you require. Click on the thumbnail radio button if you want the video to appear as a thumbnail. This option creates low resolution recording. To create high resolution recording, select the full screen radio button. This will display the video in full screen mode. Next step is to select the type of camera you want to use. If you are working on laptop and do not want to use the external camera, then select the integrated camera from the drop-down list. If you want to record the audio only, then select the No Camera option. No Camera is the default option. The third step is to select the audio device you want to use. Select the microphone option from the drop-down list and drag the slider bar towards left to decrease the volume or right to increase the volume. Select No Microphone option if you do not require any sound. Let us understand how to add inking. Under the inking option, select the pen size, fine pen, medium pen or thick pen and color to draw or write some text on the slide. Once you have set all the required options, click on the record button in the top left corner of the screen. The presentation will open in the zoom mode along with the dash border running around it. You are now recording. Draw on the slide while narrating the instructions with the help of mouse or stylus. Stylus is a small pen-shaped instrument that is used to input commands to a computer screen. Once the recording is done, click on the Close button to return to presentation view. The following picture shows the various options of recording toolbar. Click Record to begin recording. Click Stop to stop recording. Click Previous slide and next slide to go backward or forward one slide. If your slide contains animations, use Previous Animation and Next Animation to play the animations. After you click Stop, click the Preview slide recording to view what has been recorded. If the slide has notes, click the Slide Notes option to display or hide them just below this button so that they will appear close to your webcam and you can read them without looking down.